Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do the ring reveal for the Ocean Breeze Bath Bomb from Jackpot Candles. Okay, during the ring reveal of the Ocean Breeze candle, I forgot to mention about the smell. The Ocean Breeze is one of my favorite scents by Jackpot Candles. The scent smell is so amazing, both while burning and not burning. So talagang ang bango-bango niya. And it goes the same with the bath bomb. The scent strength is just perfect, and I really recommend this scent dahil napakabango niya. Scent is very relaxing. Yung pang talagang para kang nasa dagat. Ocean breeze nga. Yung parang makikita mo yung clear sky, sparkling water, and sandy beaches, but I'm not kidding. Very relaxing yung smell niya. So, I really love this. Okay, so, if you can hear, no, naririnig mo yung pag-phase ng bath bomb, which means na good quality yung bath bomb, maganda yung pagkakagawa sa kanya, and look at that, oh, very active siya. Okay, so there's our ring, and let's see. So the ring I got has a really pretty deep sapphire stone, and it ended up appraising for $25. Ang ganda din ng mga white gems around the opal-shaped deep sapphire stone. And the setting is in sterling silver. That's it, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!